People are always asking me, they're always writing me, Matt, how hard is it to change out a blade? Meaning I'm going from a weed eater head to a blade. It's not hard at all. In the top of your weed eater, you're gonna have a hole. See this hole right here? There's a hole. You're gonna get a pin like this. You can use a small screwdriver. You put it in there and you spin it until it goes down. There's a hole inside of here. Once it locks in the hole, all you're gonna do is twist this off like that. And that's it. Take your pin out. You're gonna hold this because this can fall. You're gonna flip it over. That's what you wanna see. You're gonna take our blade, and I like this. Covered in rubber so you don't cut the crap out of yourself. That's great. Should fit perfectly right there, and it does. Here's the new version of what you're going to put here. It goes right like that. This is the new version of what's going to go on here, and it just slides there, and then you're going to, again, put the pin back in here and then lock it up. You might have something like this. Okay, this is the old version. If you have this, you want to make sure that the cut part, that's the part that's indented, is going down so it can put pressure on that blade and keep it in place. Then you're going to put that there like that, and then you're going to put that on there. Again, you're going to have to put the pin in when you tighten. Guys, here's my pin again, so I'm going to reach around here. I'm going to find the hole in the dark, which is kind of difficult sometimes. Okay, it's over here. I'm going to find the hole that it goes into. And I'm going to start tightening her down. Now I'm going to take my handy dandy wrench. Every time you buy a weed eater or anything, actually, from STIHL, they're going to give you this. And we're going to tighten that down again on this side. Look, I have my pin in there. If you don't have the pin in there, the head is going to spin. And you want to you don't want to over tighten it. Just give it a little bit of snugness. And guess what? That's ready to go. When you're putting the blade on, the print side is going to go up, so you can see the print, if that makes any sense. You're gonna place that right there. Again, you're gonna have your pin already in place on the other side, the same pin that you unloosened it with. Now you're gonna be tightening it with, and then you're gonna screw this down. Every time you buy a STIHL product, they give you one of these tools, which I actually like, and I always have one with me. And then because I have my pin, see, here's my pin is locking that, okay? I'm able to just tighten this up, not even a problem. Just make it snug. You don't have to get it too tight. Comes off there, pull your pin out. This is all you need, and then your blade is ready to go. Let's see what this thing can do.